For this stock, you first want to take your turkey necks and your legs and roast them at 350 degrees for an hour, hour and a half, whatever you feel like. You're not trying to cook it, you're just trying to brown it. You will salt and pepper both sides of your legs and necks and throw them in the oven. This stock will be used for stuffing and gravy and anything else that you feel the need to use it for during your Thanksgiving dinner. Next, you will take your vegetables, put them in your stock pot. You can cut them or leave them whole, it's up to you. You can peel or leave your garlic unpeeled. Then I wash my carrots and put them in the stock pot, cut into chunks. Then my celery. Then my herbs one at a time. Cover with water. Then you'll want to add your roasted necks and legs and wings or whatever else you've roasted to your pot. I use just necks and legs here, but you can use wings and giblets and necks and anything else you have. I usually don't wait till Thanksgiving Day for this because that's just been my habit for so long, but you can do this on Thanksgiving morning and use anything you have on hand. I buy my necks and legs and wings and whatnot separately ahead of time. By the way, if you've never smelled a roasting turkey neck, please go out, get one, roast it just for the smell. Now here I just add a small pinch of salt and pepper to give it some flavor, but not to season it completely because you want as little sodium as you can in here if you're going to reduce it or add it to other things that you will season separately. Next, I'm going to just simmer it very low for several hours, probably 3 or 4 hours. Don't bring it to a boil, just simmer it slowly. Then you want to strain it, get all the big bits out and even the little bits, and put it straight in the refrigerator or use it as you want.